Hi everyone. Now let us move to the final set of the general knowledge and current affairs MCQs. Do comment your score after this last part. Moving on to the question number 151. The concept of basic structure of constitution was propounded in, and the answer for this is option B, that is Kesavananda Bharatiya case. Next is question number 152. How many fundamental rights are currently guaranteed? And the answer for this is option A, 6. Next question is the President of India is elected by, and the answer for this is option C, Electoral College. Next question is question number 154. The term of Lok Sabha is, and it is for 5 years. So option B will be correct. Next question is money bill can be introduced only in, and the answer for this is option B, that is Lok Sabha. Next question is the twin deficit refers to, and the answer for this is option B, physical and current account deficit. Next is question number 157. Repo rate is decided by, and the answer for this is option C, that is Monetary Policy Committee. Next is question number 158. Which body regulates mutual funds in India? And the answer for this is option B, that is SEBI. Next question is India's first international financial services center, IFSC, is at, and the answer for this is option B, that is Gandhinagar. Next question is the objective of financial inclusion is to provide, and the answer for this is option C, banking services to all. Next question is India is not a member of, and the answer for this is option C, OPEC. Wherever some of our neighboring countries are members of this OPEC, India is not a member of this organization. Next question is question number 162. The headquarters of the IMF is in, and the answer for this is option B, that is Washington, DC. Next question is the neighborhood first policy focuses on, and the answer for this is option B, that is South Asian nations. Next question is which country hosted COP29, and the answer for this is option C, that is Azerbaijan. Next is question number 165. India's permanent seat demand is in, and the answer for this is option A, that is UNSC, United Nations Security Council. Next question is question number 166. India's first space-based solar observatory is, and the answer for this is option C, that is Aditya L1. Next question is which technology enables driverless cars, and the answer for this is option C, AI, that is artificial intelligence. Next question is question number 168. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier was built at, and the answer for this is option B, that is Cochin Shipyard. Next question is question number 169. The Bharat 6G vision target is rolled out by, and the answer for this is option C, that is 2030. Next question is supercomputers in India are developed under, and the answer for this will be option C, National Supercomputing Mission. Next question is India's first green hydrogen hub is planned in, and the answer for this is option A, that is Gujarat. Next question is the International Solar Alliance headquarters is in, and when it is about Solar Alliance headquarters, so the option C will be correct, that is Gurugram. Next question is which Indian state has maximum forest cover, and This is none other than Madhya Pradesh. So option A will be correct. Next question is our day is celebrated on, and the answer for this is option B, that is April 22. Next question is question number 175. National Wildlife Week is observed in, and the answer for this is option C, that is October. And if the question will be like when is the National Wildlife Day celebrated, so the answer for that will be 2nd October. And if it is about World Wildlife Day, then the answer will be 3rd of March. Next question is question number 176. PM Jan Dhan Yojana is related to, and the answer for this is option C, that is bank accounts. Next question is question number 177. PM Ujjwala Yojana provides, and the answer for this is option B, that is LPG connections. Next question is question number 178. Which scheme focuses on senior citizens? And the answer for this is option C, PM Vyai Vandana Yojana. Next question is question number 179. National Social Assistance Program is implemented by, and the answer for this is option B, MORD, that is Ministry of Rural Development. Next is question number 180. PM Awas Yojana aims at, and the answer for this is option B, that is housing for all. Next question is question number 181. Indian Army Day is celebrated on, and the answer for this is option A, January 15. Next question is question number 182. India's first Chief of Defense Staff after General Bipin Rawat was, and the answer for this is option C, that is Anil Chauhan. And if the question will be asked like who was the first Chief of Defense Staff of India, or who was the first CDS of India, and then the answer will be General Bipin Rawat. Next question is question number 183. The border security force guards borders with two countries, that is one is Bangladesh and other is Pakistan. So option B will be correct. Next question is question number 184. Which force is known as the first line of defense? And this is of course option B will be correct here, BSF, Border Security Force. Next is question number 185. India's nuclear doctrine is based on, and this is a very important question. For this, option B will be correct, no first use. Next is question number 186. National Sports Day is celebrated in memory of, and the answer for this is option C, that is Major Dhyan Chand. And based on this, awards are also given to people or sportsmen who have excelled in their respective fields. Next is question number 187. The classical language status is given by, and the answer for this is option C, Ministry of Culture. Next is question number 188. Which is not a classical dance of India? Kathakali is a classical dance. Bharatanatyam is also classical dance. Kuchipudi is also a classical dance. Option D, Bhangra. Bhangra is not a classical dance. Next question is question number 189. The book India 2047 focuses on, and the answer for this is option B, that is Vision of Developed India. So the Vision of Developed India is in is for the year 2047. Next question is question number 190. National Tourism Day is observed on, And the answer for this is option B, that is January 25. Next question is question number 191. India's first Gati Shakti cargo terminal was launched by. For this, option B, that is Indian Railways, will be correct. Next question is which city is India's fintech capital? And for this, option B, that is Bengaluru, will be correct. Next question is question number 193. National Startup Day is observed on. And the answer for this will be option B, that is January 16. Next question is question number 194. Which river is called as Dakshin Ganga? And for this, option C, that is Godavari, will be correct. Next question is question number 195. The motto Satyamev Jayate means. And for this, option B, that is truth alone triumphs, will be correct. Next question is question number 196. India's national emblem is adopted from. And the answer for this is option B, lion, capital of Ashoka. Next question is question number 197. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? And the answer for this is option C, Gujarat. Next question is question number 198. India's first woman IPS officer was. And the answer for this is option A, Kiran Bedi. Next question is question number 199. The national flag of India was designed by. And this is a very important question. The answer for this is option B, Bengali Venkaya. Next question is question number 200, which is also the last question of this series. The Constitution of India came into force on. And the answer for this is option C, January 26, 1950. This is that's why we are celebrating January 26 as the Republic Day of India. That is all from this GK and current affairs MCQ series. These questions are very useful for your upcoming competitive exams. Do revise these questions again, they are important for your exams. Please do comment your score below this video and in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe this channel for further educational videos. Thank you very much.